Hello all, welcome to a new video on logic design. In this video, I have explained how to simplify a Boolean expression using the axioms and laws of Boolean algebra. The axioms and laws of Boolean algebra have been explained in my previous video. I have included 5 typical examples in this video. Note those examples and learn them thoroughly so that it will be helpful for you in the examination point of view. I have published a few videos on the solutions of the previous year question papers of logic design and also a few videos on the selected topics from the course of logic design. The links of all those videos have been given in the description box. So let us move on to the video. Here is the first example. Simplify the following Boolean expression to a minimum number of literals. Which are the literals here? X, Y, X bar, Y bar are the literals. So this is the given Boolean expression, X bar, Y bar plus XY plus X bar Y. So here you can notice that in the second term and third term, Y is common. Therefore, you can write like X bar, Y bar plus Y into X plus X bar. We have taken Y outside and X plus X bar. Now what is X plus X bar? X plus X bar is equal to 1. Therefore you can write, instead of X plus X bar, we can write 1. So in the next step, X bar Y bar plus Y into 1, because X plus X bar is equal to 1. Now what is X bar Y bar plus Y? From the law, we can write X bar Y bar plus Y is Y plus Y bar into Y plus X bar. Y plus Y bar into Y plus X bar. Now, what is Y plus Y bar? Y plus Y bar is equal to 1. Therefore, in the next step, you can write 1 into, instead of Y plus Y bar, we have written 1 into X bar plus Y, which is equal to X bar plus Y. This is the reduced expression or the simplified Boolean expression. Now let us do the second example. X Y bar plus Y bar Z bar plus X bar Z bar. So we can write the first term X Y bar as it is, the third term X bar Z bar as it is, plus the second term can be written as Y bar Z bar into X plus X bar. What is X plus X bar? X plus X bar is equal to 1. Since X plus X bar is equal to 1, when you multiply X plus X bar with Y bar Z bar, it doesn't make any difference. In the next step, we will write the first term and the second term as it is, and the third term can be multiplied with X and X bar, so that you will get this expression Y bar Z bar X plus Y bar Z bar X bar. Now in the next step, we have taken X Y bar. You can see in the first term as well as in the third term, X Y bar is common. X Y bar is common in the first term as well as in the third term. Therefore, we can write this as X Y bar into 1 plus Z bar plus X bar Z bar is common in the second term as well as in the last term. Therefore, this can be written as X bar Z bar into 1 plus Y bar. So this expression has been reduced to this form: X bar X Y bar into 1 plus Z bar plus X bar Z bar into 1 plus Y bar. Now what is 1 plus Y bar? We know that any literal added with 1 will give you 1 itself. According to the law, 1 plus Y bar is equal to 1. Similarly, 1 plus Z bar is equal to 1. Therefore, in the next step, X Y bar into 1 plus X bar Z bar into 1 will give you X Y bar plus X bar Z bar. Since 1 plus y bar equal to 1 and 1 plus z bar equal to 1, this expression have been reduced to x y bar plus x bar z bar. So this is the simplified Boolean expression. Now coming to the third example, that is x plus y into x plus y bar. This can be written as, you can multiply this first term into this term, x into x, x into y bar, x y bar, then x into y, x y plus y into y bar, y y bar. So x plus xy plus xy bar plus y y bar. This is equal to, what is x into x? X into x is equal to x and y into y bar is equal to 0. Therefore, we can write this x as x plus this xy as it is and this xy bar as it is plus y into y bar is equal to 0. Now in the next step, we know that this x is common in all the three terms. Therefore, you can take this x outside so that you will get 1 plus y bar plus this 0, which is equal to, what is 1 plus y? 1 plus y is equal to y. 1 added with any literals, any long expression also, it is 1 itself. Therefore, x into 1 is equal to x. Here 1 plus y bar is equal to 1. 1 plus y is equal to 1. 1 plus y bar is also equal to 1. Therefore, x into 1 is equal to x. So, this is the reduced Boolean expression. Now we have the fourth example. Simplify the following Boolean expression to a minimum number of literals. AB plus A into B plus C plus B bar into B plus D. So first we have to multiply these terms and then write it here. That is, first term is written as it is, AB plus A into B is AB plus A into C, AC plus B bar into B, B bar D plus B bar into D, B bar D. Now what is B bar into B? B bar into B is equal to 0. Therefore, in the next step, this term will be reduced to 0, as well as here you can see AB is repeated, that is AB plus AB. What is A plus A? A plus A is equal to A. Therefore, AB plus AB is equal to AB. So, in the next step, we have AB plus this AC, this term is written as it is, plus B bar D, because B bar B has been reduced to 0 and AB plus AB is reduced to AB. In the next step, we have A is common in the first and second term. Therefore, you can combine these terms and write as A into B plus C plus B bar D. So, this is the reduced Boolean expression or the simplified Boolean expression. Coming to the last example, simplify the following Boolean expression to a minimum number of literals. X bar y bar plus z the whole bar plus z plus xy plus wz. So first of all, let us break this long bar. So when you break this bar, this OR sign will change to AND. That is, x bar y bar the whole bar OR change to AND z bar plus, here you can see in the second term and in the last term z is common. So you can combine these two terms and then write it as z into 1 plus w plus xy. Now we have to see what is 1 plus w. 1 plus w is equal to 1. 1 plus x is equal to 1. 1 plus y is equal to 1. Similarly, 1 plus w is equal to 1. Now, in the next step, we have to break this long bar so that you will get x double bar plus y double bar. Why this plus symbol? Because when you break this bar, this and will change to or. And sign will change to or into this z bar plus z into what is 1 plus w? 1 plus w is equal to 1 plus xy. Now in the next step we will get what is x double bar. X double bar is equal to x, y double bar is equal to y. Therefore you can write it as x plus y into z bar plus z plus xy. Now notice this terms x plus y into z bar plus z. This is of the form a plus a bar b. Here z is a and this z bar is a bar and b is x plus y. So this can be written as a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. Similarly, z plus z bar into x plus y can be written as x plus y plus z plus xy. Now you can notice that in the first term and in the last term x is common. X is common in the first and last term. Therefore, we can combine these two terms and write it as x into 1 plus y plus z. What is 1 plus y? 1 plus y is equal to 1. Therefore, this can be reduced to x plus y plus z. So, this is the simplified Boolean expression of this given expression. Thanks for your time.